How to protect your money safely. Welcome guys, my name is Pedro and today I am going to show you why keeping your money in crypto is a good thing, why is it safe, and how you can make it even safer, how you can be the safest out there. Now guys, a lot of people don't know this, but keeping your money in crypto is safer than in the traditional financial institutions. Why? Because let's say that you go to a bank and you deposit $100 or 100 rands. Do you think the money just sits there and that's all? That is actually not true. Once you give the money to the bank is gonna lend it out to other people who want to borrow some money to build some project or to do something. That means that for every 100 rands, for example, that you put in the bank, only 5 are gonna be there. They are basically giving 95 of your rands away to other people in exchange of loans. They are taking a paper saying, hey, we'll get it back. But what if they don't get it back? Well, we already saw plenty of banks collapsing because of this system. This is the traditional financial system in which banks take your money, they lend it out, and they create money out of nowhere, literally. In crypto, it's completely different. In crypto, there is no intermediary, there is no bank. In crypto, you are under your own full control of your money. No one touches your money. That's why crypto can be much safer than the bank, because at the end of the day, everything depends on you. There's no intermediary taking care of your money or giving it away or lending it to the third-party people. Of course, even with this, it is important to be safe with your money and to keep your crypto safe. How can you do this? Well, there is some best practices so that you can keep your money safely. The first one, and very important one, is to use two-factor authenticator. Maybe you don't know what it is, but this is basically this type of codes that you get from Google. And this means that when, for example, I want to send crypto to somewhere, I will have to put this password that only I have in my phone. It's always convenient to have two-factor authenticator because it's the only way to make sure that only you are using that app, that you're not gonna have any trouble. Banks also use it and it's very common to use. Second, very normal and very basic, don't follow strange links. Someone tells you, oh my god, we found $2 million, click on this link. Guys, come on, let's use common sense. Don't follow strange links, only go to the links that you know them. It's the same as when you're using your bank. Would you click in a weird link out of your bank that it doesn't look like your bank and is sent from a random email? No, you don't do that. You go into the emails that you trust, that you know they are from the people you can trust. Same as with the bank, be careful. Third, don't trust people to invest for you. This is a huge mistake I always see, especially in South Africa. A lot of people want someone to invest for them. Guys, if you depend on someone, you are not gonna get the results that you're looking for. Maybe that guy makes you money, sure, but maybe he doesn't make it. How do you know? You don't know. That's the whole point. You need to learn by yourself. Learn from professionals. Learn from people who actually know how to make money in crypto, and then invest by yourself. Increase your knowledge, guys. There is a very common saying that says, teach a man how to fish and you will solve his life. But if you just give him fish, you're not fixing anything. Well, this is the same thing. If you just have someone investing for you, you're not gonna understand anything, you're not gaining anything. If that person disappears, you earn nothing. But if you learn with professionals, with people who makes this every day, who can teach you how to make money, after you can replicate that by yourself every single day, and you will have a skill that will allow you to continue growing. Very important. Now, 5 basic rules for safe investments in crypto would be as follows. First of all, use big exchanges. We already talked about it. Use Binance, use Bybit, OKX, Bitfinex, exchanges that are big, that are reputable, that have a track record, that we have seen that for a very long time have been among us and that they have been working correctly. They never had trouble. This is important. Always go to trustable sources. Same thing as with learning. Second, don't go in complicated DeFi procedures. You don't need to complicate yourself to make money. A lot of people in crypto think that you have to do the most complicated thing with the difficult arbiters, with this, with that. It's not like that. There's a lot of opportunities to make money in a simple way. Stick to the basics. Learn how to buy when the price is low, when to sell when the price is high. You don't need to go into complicated procedures to make money in crypto. So get away from those. Third, be careful with your passwords. Same as always. be very careful. Don't put your password somewhere where someone else can see it. Write it down in a place that you know what it is, nobody else will. And same as with your bank, be very careful with your password. Don't tell people your password, because this is very important. Someone asks you for your password, don't give it. It's quite obvious, but a lot of people make mistakes with this, so don't do that. And fourth, only trust reputable sources. As I told you, you don't know in crypto who is who. So it's important to understand that you're going with professionals. For example, me from Manifest, a huge school, international, where we teach people about crypto. Random guy that you don't know who comes from, well, that's a different thing. So try to go to reputable sources, people that you already saw that they are getting the results that you're looking for, so you can get those results too. Fifth, get good knowledge and decide your investment by yourself. As I told you, don't depend on other person. Get the knowledge. And after, invest by yourself, decide by yourself where you are putting your money. It's as simple as that. I already told you, learn how to catch your own fees. If you realize that your future is making money online, is making money with crypto, now is the moment to take action, guys. Click in the link down below and I will see you inside. I hope that you enjoyed today's class. Bye!